Hi guys, today I learned magical thing in Capcut video editor. That is you can edit your photos uh, using Capcut video editor and save as JPG. I will drag image here. Then we can use filters, color filters on Capcut to this image. I'm going to show you. This is an image, still image. You can use your any still image here. Then you can add filters given by CapCut video editor to this photo. You can see color changed, and we can try another. You can use these as presets. Filters depend on images. Guys, if I choose this, I can drag it here and I can change the opacity using this bar to control the filter. So this is magical and amazing thing about CapCut. We can use another filter. I'm going to add this. I think this is cool tone. You can control using this slider. Then the main thing is you can export this as JPG or PNG as still image. So I'm going to export it here. Export still frame. You can use higher quality as 2K, 4K or 1080p. You can choose the format PNG or JPG, then convert